everyone and welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students that create learning activities for kids. Our activities focus on reading, writing, and math. And today we will be learning about parts of a story and we'll be making a monster bookmark. So let's begin.
Today we will be learning about parts of a story. You will learn about their functions and how one builds the other. Let's begin with chapter. A chapter is a main division in a book. Chapters often have a number or a title about that section. Then there's the opening. This is the initial part that sets the stage for what is going to happen in the story. Then we have the closing. This is the ending that wraps up, concludes, and brings everything to a final point. So it's how the story ends. Now take out your materials. We will be making a monster bookmark.
For today's activity, you're gonna need glue, something to write with, some scissors, a ruler is optional, some construction paper, and a blank sheet of paper. Since we will be cutting with this activity, please do it with an adult present. So you're going to cut out a strip of your construction paper. I'm using a ruler and it's going to be 2 inches wide and 7 inches long. Then you're just going to cut out of the same strip a 2-inch square. So just cut out 2 inches of the paper and save that square. So after you cut out your square, you're going to cut a second identical square from your blank sheet of paper, and you're going to cut along the bottom of the white square in a zigzag pattern to form the teeth. Then you're going to glue the white square on top of the orange. So you're going to glue the square with the teeth on top of the strip of paper, leaving part of the square unglued to form the mouth, like this. After you're done gluing your square, you're just going to let it dry for a couple of minutes, and you can decorate your monster as you want. As for me, I gave my monster an eye and some little antennas. And what you're gonna do is just add another piece of white paper with a zigzag to just complete the monster's mouth. And you're going to glue it on the bottom. And then you're just gonna let your monster dry for a couple of minutes as well. So after you're done, you're just going to flip over your bookmark and you're going to write on the back what we learned today, which is that chapter is a main division in a book. We also learned that the opening is the initial part that sets what's going to happen. Closing is how the story ends. And you're pretty much done. You can use this bookmark with any of your books. It should look something like this. I hope you had a lot of fun with this activity. You did a great job today. So that is all for today. Thank you for joining us. We hope you come back soon to learn some more. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. And until next time.